Hey, in today's Tech Talk tutorial, we will be showing you how to make and receive calls remotely using our integrated campus telephone system called Rainbow. While there are two main ways to use Rainbow, our demonstration today will be directly from a web browser. To get started, navigate to web.openrainbow.com. Once the Rainbow homepage loads, please enter your TCNJ email address and click Continue. You will then be prompted to enter your TCNJ username and password. Most modern browsers will prompt you to verify the use of your microphone and camera, which is necessary to use Rainbow, so please select Allow when you are prompted. As part of the setup process, be sure to enter your first and last name and then click Continue. While not required, you do have the option to upload a photo of yourself for your Rainbow profile. This can be done by dragging the picture file into the browser and then selecting Use this avatar button. Rainbow will provide you with information about cookies and notifications, after which click Continue. You will now be brought to the main Rainbow screen. Rainbow will automatically be configured, however, please take this time to verify some settings. First, click on the computer icon in the upper left-hand corner of the page and verify that your current phone is set to computer internet calls. Next, click on the headset icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and select Audio Video, and then select the correct audio settings for your speakers and microphone. Selecting Custom Configuration allows you to select different input and output devices connected to your computer. You can test the microphone by speaking, which will then display a moving bar with your voice, and then test the speakers by clicking on the Test Audio Output button. Once you have completed this, click Close. Just like your desk phone, in Rainbow you can simply dial the extension you want to call. To do this, from the main Rainbow screen, click on the numbers or type the extension in the search in the upper left-hand corner of the page. Then click on the Call button. Once in a call, you have the option to add a caller for a conference call, mute your microphone, place the call on hold, enter numbers while in a call, or hang up the call. It is always best practice to keep a Rainbow window open so that you may receive calls. When you receive a call, you have the option to accept the call or to decline the call and send the caller to your voicemail. Another great feature of Rainbow is that you can search the on-campus phone directory. To do this, click on the contacts icon in the upper left of the page and then type the first or last name of the individual you are looking for. From the list that is populated, you can then select the individual you would like to call and click on the green Call button in the upper right hand of the screen. Rainbow offers the same functionality as your on-campus phone, making you accessible when remote. Should you have any questions about using Rainbow, please contact the help desk for assistance.